Guys, this is a paper printer. It's weak. This is a 3D plastic printer. It's also weak. But this is the world's strongest printer because it prints metal. Real metal that you cannot break. This is the most powerful printer in the Middle East. Buckle up. I'm gonna tell you how this can save your life and your country. You probably never think about this, but metal parts are very hard to produce. If you want to make this small piece, it can take months to make and ship metal all the way from China. We need faster metal, not just for cars, but also for surgeries, bones, and hospitals. So what do you do when your metal is delayed in shipping? This is why I came to see this printer here at the Technology Innovation Institute in Abu Dhabi. It can print any metal you can think of in one day. And instead of ink, it uses powder, metal powder. It works just like sand. It looks just like sand. This is what the printer uses to make actual 3D metal objects. You just put this powder inside the printer. The printer uses very strong lasers that melt the powder and turns it into solid in the right place. That powder you saw is now inside this printer. And eventually you get this, which is a 3D object made of metal. It works like a paper printer, but with metals. This is how you can print anything you can imagine without a problem.
You can print from as small as a screw all the way up to printing a rocket that goes to space. Anything that you want to print in metal, you can print using metal 3D printers. Because
of this printer, now the entire country of the Emirates can print anything it wants. A car part, an airplane part, a dental implant, or a bone replacement for any surgery in any hospital in the country in just one day without needing anybody else.
Lots of industrial companies in the UK, the US, in the West in general, they are relying mainly on 3D printers. The planes that you're taking every day now, there are lots of parts in those that are 3D printed.
That's the beauty of this printer that every country in the world needs.
My message to the world is to accept and know more about 3D printing, especially of metals, because it will revolutionize our everyday products.
In the future, you don't have to wait weeks and months to build something new. Anything you can imagine, you can just print.